Hello, all my best friends. How are you today? I hope you stay at home. To accompany you at home, I will invite you to make hair clip. This is from a satin fabric. I hope you like and enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Now, let's prepare the material that we will use to make this flower. The material are fabric, satin fabric, scissor, lighter, felt or flannel, hair clip, thread and needle, glue and glue gun. The first step, you cut a fabric, satin fabric, according to size, the weight of 4 cm and the length 30 cm. The weight of 4 cm and the length 40 cm. The weight of 4 cm and the length 60 cm. So we need 3 kind. Okay. You take a scissor and you fold in half. You fold again. Like this. And you cut to form the petal. Like this. Take a lighter and you melt the end of the ribbon. Like this. Take thread and needle and you start sewing. You keep sewing until the last petal. Like this. This is two petal. And you make knot here. You make a knot and like this. Okay, this one. So you have three kind of petal. Okay. You take glue and you arrange the petal from bigger until small. You take a flannel first, the weight of 3 cm and the length 7 cm. Give a glue and you arrange the petal from bigger petal. Give a glue and the last put in the needle like this. Okay, the last step, you take a hair clip and second flannel. This is 3 cm the weight and the length 7 cm. You insert the hair clip like this. Give a glue and you put under the flower. The flower hair clip has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.